comes up with the drink carts. Now, while I'm on air stewardesses, right? You know, whenever you watch a movie that's set in the 1960s, they always depict air stewardesses as these hot chicks with little pillbox hats with the buns, the big tits, and a little waist, and a little bag, and all that. I don't think any of these women have retired, because this thing was just being propped up by the drink cart. Man, 50 years of recycled air and made her skin drip off her face like the end of Raiders of the Lost Ark.
The art gallery, and there on the wall is a giant video screen, right, showing close-up footage of this part of the female anatomy, nude, right, this part, female anatomy, huge screen, nude, smoking. When I say smoking, I don't mean smoking from vigorous overuse. I mean smoking, you know, Marlboro, filter-tip cigarette, there, people, there. I didn't know we could do that. See, you're sitting there like, do it every day. I did not know we could smoke from that part of our body. Did you know this? Did you know, I knew we could pop ping pong balls from there. I mean, I think all us ladies know about that, don't we? Come on, who hasn't tried it? You know, you're at home, you're on your own, you're a bit bored. I think I'll try something new. Ping, ping, ping. I broke a good vase once.
I love you till I die.